Hey everybody, welcome to No Onions Allowed, my keto kitchen. Just the day of keto eating. We're at Five Guys right now, and I must tell you they are so expensive. Look at my bill. This is just for two burgers and an order of fries. Two burgers and an order of fries. Look at that. $24.11. Ridiculous. Anyway, we're waiting on our burger and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, this is my Five Guys bunless burger, double cheeseburger with extra bacon. Let me take a bite. It's good, but I don't know if it's worth $10. Anyway, let me finish this burger, and I'll show you guys what's for dinner. Okay, and so then I went to Aldi because I was just been seeing online all these great things at Aldi that we can get that's keto friendly. So I just had to go, and I did find some good stuff. I got some pickles today, no sugar, some dry roasted unsalted peanuts, Kobe Jack cube cheese that's good for snacks, and they have these for only $1.69 here. Rice cauliflower, and then they had the garlic and herb. Happy about that one. Can't wait to try that. And I got some steamed asparagus. Now I'm used to getting them raw and cooking them myself, so I'm gonna see how that goes. My daughter wanted to try the Nathan's hot dogs. Got those for her. I picked up some dark chocolate. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But I hear people talk about it all the time, so there you go. I got me some Kerrygold soft butter. It was more expensive than the other butter, so I said I'll try it anyway. Got me some light yogurt, just, you know, yogurt. I don't think this is really a part of the keto diet, because it's 15 grams of carbs in every 2/3 of a cup. Don't know, but, and it has 8 sugars, so I'm gonna have to be careful with this, but us women, take care of women's health. We need yogurt in our life. Got me some olive oil. And I got these unsalted. And I got some hot sauce. And I found a roast. So I'm going to make the Mississippi pot roast tonight at Aldi. $11.45. And I found some flatbread, guys. 90 calories per serving, 7 grams protein, and I turned it over, and the macros on it, 22 grams of carbs, 10 fiber, so that's 11 grams of carbs, and no sugar for one bread, and it's really big. Don't know if I would ever need to use the whole thing, so I'm gonna try it out. Also bought 2 more things of cream cheese because, you know, you got to keep those on deck. Never know what you might cook. And I got a bag of pork skins. Then I went down the aisle with all the home stuff. Couldn't help it. Look at all the goodies I got. Spatula, basting brush, pizza cutter, cheese slicer. See that? Cheese slicer. Yeah. Another whisk, because whenever I need it, I can't find it. And some more spatulas and a pan. In that pan, I'm going to make my my egg loaf. Make my egg loaf in that pan. So, just some items to pick up. Not too big, so. Back to our day of eating. As you can see, I had the burger, and it was okay. I might eat a slice of cheesecake, maybe not. But I'm going to drink my essential water. And I don't know if I'll eat tonight. I'm not hungry. So, I mean, I might snack on some cheese cubes and a couple of pieces of pepperoni. You know, because I'm not really hungry, but I know I have to eat something. So this is my grocery haul at Aldi. Oh, and the big bag of sharp cheddar cheese. 8 cups of cheese. So some things, you know, go to. Keep on deck. And I'll let you guys know how the pot roast turns out. So I'll be back in. With the Mississippi pot roast, you only put, and where are my packages I got? Oh, they may. You put a package of ranch dressing, a package of au jus, and some pepperoncini peppers, like 6 of them. And that's it. You put it in your slow cooker, and you let it cook for 7 to 10 hours. And that's it. And you have this fabulous pot roast. So I'll see you guys in 7 to 10 hours. Okay guys, I have the roast already in the crock pot. I've cleaned it. It's important to clean your meat. I see on so many videos that I watch, people just take the meat directly out of the package and put it in their utensils, whatever they're going to cook in. And it's so important to clean it because you don't know what these stores do. You don't know how clean these stores are. Most of the stores pack the meat inside their store in the meat department. So you just have to, even the factories, I mean, you have to be careful. So anyway, I've cleaned the meat. I couldn't find au jus. I went to 2 stores looking for it, could not find it, so this is what I settled with. I settled with savory pot roast seasoning mix. And you just pour it, the whole packet, over the top of the meat, like so. That was a lot. And then you take your ranch dressing, dry pack, pour it over the meat, like so. Butter. You put it in about 4 tablespoons of butter. Kerrygold butter, that is. And with this, you'll need about 6 peppers. And I have those peppers right here. Okay, then we're going to add 6 pepperoncini peppers. They are so flavorful. I love these peppers. I love when I go to Olive Garden and they put these peppers in the salad. Tastes so good. And that's it. We'll put the top on. Put it on low. And that's all we do. See you in 7 hours. That's simple. Okay, got my tongs here. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look how that just pulls apart. I'll put some on the plate here. Taste it. And that would be for a day of keto eating. Look at that. Still see the smoke coming off of it. What a wonderful sight. I'm going to taste just a little bit. Oh, wow. There's some cheese on it. I think this will make some awesome kind of chili freeze. Chili cheese. Wow. Philly cheesesteak. Which you can definitely taste the flavor of those pepperoncini peppers for sure. I was kind of worried that you're going to have bland meat because the recipe does not call for any seasoning, but whatever seasonings that are in those packages, that's all you need. You don't need anything else. This is wonderful. So until next time, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time one of my videos is uploaded. And then please share it with a friend or family. I want to build up my subscription family. So until next time, peace, love, and soul.